Hey guys, what's up, homies? Guess what? It's me, Erica Gregory. But guess what happened today? 18 hours ago, some mail just came in an envelope for my mother. This is what the package looks like. So we will be unboxing it since it's for me. Hold up. I only ripped out parts so far. Oh look, another package. Look at this, guys. Catbook's here. So I'll be making my new videos with him. I hope you guys had a great day. Bye. I'll see you later, and bye.